Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video for the Google Docs series, we are going to look at edit feature number 4, copy, edit feature number 5, paste, and edit feature number 6, paste without formatting. So with that being said, let's begin. So, I can access all of these edit features under the Edit menu. The best way to do so is by highlighting my text, and then I can click on Edit, and from here I can see Copy, Paste, and Paste without formatting. Let's start with Copy. So, after I've highlighted my text, I can click on Copy here in order to copy it. However, I can also highlight my text and hit Control-C on my keyboard in order to copy it. This keeps my text on my Google Doc, which means that I don't lose whatever the original formatting or content was. From there, I can then paste it wherever I want in my document. To paste, I can go to Edit and then click on Paste, or I can move to another part of my document and click on Control V, and it will paste the item within my document. Finally, there's Edit, paste without formatting. Now, this can be very useful if an individual is copying and pasting from a document formatted in one way to a document formatted in another way. So, for example, as can be seen on my Google Doc, I have changed the formatting in this section of the Google Doc. What I can do is I can click Control Shift V and it pastes the content that I copied in the formatting that matches that section of the Google Doc. This can be very useful when there's a lot more text that needs to be copied and pasted in different sections of a document or from one document to another. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.